So I just had a nice little argument with a buddy of mine about Montblanc Starwalker, and it led to me making this video. But before we get into that, if you like this kind of content or any fragrance related content for the last time, probably not the last time, subscribe and ring the damn bell. Don't be coming around here like it's a free peep show without subscribing. So most of you, in fact I'd argue probably all of you that know anything about fragrances are no stranger to Montblanc Starwalker. Been talked about by everybody. Not really a major urgency to bust this video out and really talk about Starwalker, but the reason I'm making the video is because of the argument I had with my buddy. So let's go over Starwalker for a minute, then we'll talk about the argument. I mean, like I said, you guys have probably seen it 1,000 times. Beautiful bottle, sleek, smooth, simple bottle. Cap has a little, not sure what that's supposed to be. Someone told me a camera lens or something of that nature. I don't freaking know. I don't know anything anymore. Cap is lightweight, cheap plastic, but listen, it does click into place. You can hold it by the cap if you happen to give a damn about that. Now I'm going to spray the opening, then we're going to go over the notes, and I have the dry down on a little test strip. Opening is nice. As a matter of fact, I'm going to wear this to bed tonight. Yeah, I wear fragrances to go to bed. I can do whatever I want. I'm a big boy. You hear that, Mom? What if I did really live with my mom? That'd be weird. Not hating on you if you do. If you do, save your money. But this has been many times compared to what you all know is what I wasted my money on here. Versace Man Eau Fraiche. I know some of you are going to get offended. What do you mean? I'll tell you this right now. Starwalker does smell like this. Starwalker is better than this. Do you understand me? Yeah, that might be a sin to some of you. I know somebody's holding their chest having a stroke right now. Starwalker is better than the Versace Man Eau Fraiche or Fraiche or however the hell you pronounce that. And I'm going to tell you why. For starters, it's cheaper, all right? Probably 10 bucks cheaper pound for pound. And secondly, that bamboo note is very sexy and it's smooth and it's relaxing and it just puts you in a good mood. And not to mention, this fragrance is overall, in my opinion, way more smooth than this. This is a little bit more of a harsh citrus, a little bit of a, sharper citrus. It's an okay fragrance, but it's no Montblanc Starwalker. Might as well throw it in the trash. We don't even need that crap anymore. I'm not going to throw it in the trash. I wasted too much money on it. But I wear this more, and like I said, I like this more. My friend thought I was a madman for saying that. He actually literally was laughing hysterically. But anybody who smelt it too, I would imagine would agree with me. So I just wanted to post that controversial video. Let me know down in the comments section if you agree or disagree. Get your hands on Montblanc Starwalker. If you haven't already, take your Versace Man Eau Fraiche and throw it in the garbage. Don't really do that. I'm messing with you. Anyways, I got to get to bed. It's late. Like the video if you liked the damn video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, be well.